Are you looking for a better way to recap and read stats? Maybe you are new to fantasy sports and looking to access information faster and in one place. If so, then my draft dashboard review can help you out. This is a powerful analytics dashboard created to help users manage their daily fantasy sports and recaps easily. Hey guys, what's up? In this draft dashboard review video, I will walk you through every aspect of draft dashboard. We will find out whether it is a legit program or a scam. Does it really help to build winning daily fantasy sports lineups for DraftKings and FanDuels? So, stay till the end of this video to know everything about draft dashboard. And believe me guys, after watching this draft dashboard review video, you will be able to decide whether you should go for draft dashboard or not. So before moving ahead, subscribe to Reviews for Life channel for betting, make money and e-business related videos. And to start draft dashboard trial at just $1, make sure to check out the link in the description below this video. You might be thinking why I am recording this review video for draft dashboard, right? Well, when I came to know about draft dashboard for the first time, I didn't find any reviews that will help me to make any decision regarding whether to go for draft dashboard or not. So I thought I would record a genuine review that will help you guys to decide whether you should go with draft dashboard or not. So first let's know what is draft dashboard all about. Draft dashboard is a powerful tool that takes away all your research worries when it comes to fantasy sports. It provides you with valuable stats to pick your baseball and football players on a daily basis, skyrocketing your fantasy decision making in an instant basis. This application helps you to do the following things. It will help you build the best teams ever, and you will be able to find the most valuable players on a daily basis, and you will get continuous optimal statistic. And guys, you can also save the research conducted on each player so that you can view it and use it later. Now let's talk about the features and benefits of draft dashboard. So guys, there are a ton of features and benefits of draft dashboard, but in this video I will go through only a few number of important benefits or features of draft dashboard so that it will not take much of your time. So the first feature or benefit of draft dashboard is analyzing player success. The distinction between a good fantasy team and a mediocre one is the availability of the verifiable data. Data such as shots taken, sleeper potential, touches, etc. would be taken into consideration before drafting any player. The draft dashboard app gives you data considering over 1000 variables to determine which player best suits your intended team. Now let's talk about the second benefit. You can create and manage player watch list. Some players are instant hits and they would make any team, whether real or virtual, as soon as they are drafted. In other cases, you might want to keep some players close without putting them on the team. This is usually because the player shows potential but is not living up to the billing just yet. For those kinds of players, the best approach would be to put them on a watch list pending the time, become the mold of player you expect them to be. Draft dashboard helps you keep this watch list of players that show future potential. Also, the application would send you frequent updates about players on your watch list as soon as there is a new development in their status. This change can be a big move or an improvement in abilities of the players. Coming to the next feature, that is identify sleepers easily. Sleepers can be the game changers or the biggest flops. Because they are usually overlooked, when they are identified correctly, they greatly improve the quality of your fantasy team. But where they are wrongly identified, they can greatly affect your team's chances of winning. With the app's proprietary statistic gathering, you can identify sleepers with ease. The app looks at past history to figure out the player with the highest likelihood of having a breakout year. The statistic backing this reasoning would also be presented to you in the instant. Then coming to the next feature, that is see it for yourself. While paper stats are the backbone of statistics, there are times when you need convincing evidence beyond words on paper before making any decision. This can come in form of video evidence of the performance of the intended drafts. The app shows you important visual data that can help you tip the balance for or against any player. This is also essential when you need to consider extraneous factors such as body build or dribbling skills, which might not be represented properly on paper. The next feature is you can optimize your lineup. As new information gets in, the Drafts Dashboard app helps you improve your lineup, displaying suggested drafts according to the most recent data. And the next feature is you can join the community. The joy of playing fantasy football would be lost without the bragging rights. While some players play for the monetary benefit, most fantasy players just want a chance to boast to their friends about their recent winnings. Also, discussing the lineup with someone might just be the right nudge to make certain decisions. The dashboard connects you with its social media of fantasy players. On this platform, you can share the lineups, discuss recent picks, discuss the game in general, and lots more. And coming to the next benefit, that is user experience concerns. So, from the above review, you already know how valuable the information on the apps is, but it does not end there. Most users would quickly ditch a good app if it's not user friendly, right? The draft dashboard is easy on the eye and fingers. The following reasons are why you would love it. It's a responsive software. Many internet users, by statistic, are accessing the internet through their mobile phones than on other platforms. This app works on mobile phones, computers, and tablets as well. Thus, depending on where you are and what you are doing, you can access the platform without any restrictions. And it has 24-hour discussion and analysis. The board would never leave you hanging, whether during a game or after. Its 24/7 discussion center keeps you engaged with other members. It has a quick research facility. Time is always of the essence of the sport. The stats have to be presented to you at lightning speed to enable quick decision making, and this app provides the following data in the fastest time possible. It provides injury updates on various players. It also provides the robust player depth chart, and it provides 24-hour player live feed. And the last benefit we are going to talk about is visualize the game in 3D. These tools help you analyze tactics better than ever. You see who your drafts are lined up against from an overhead view. You also get to move players around in different positions in order to fine tune your tactics. So now you might be thinking, okay, you have talked so many things about draft dashboard, but tell me whether draft dashboard is legit and does it really works? Yes guys, draft dashboard is super legit and it's a wonderful program for building winning fantasy sports lineups. And now let's talk about the goods or the advantages about the draft dashboard platform or application. Believe me guys, this is my favorite part of this entire review, as draft dashboard is so good that I can't express or explain it through some words or a small video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's talk about the advantages of draft dashboard one by one. The first advantage, that you can learn from the best community. Everyone on the platform is super friendly and they come from different backgrounds. Whatever question you may have, you will find the best answers over there. And the next advantage is that it has great visual reports. You don't have to waste time browsing through datasets, just get the best reports, charts and comparisons in one place. Draft dashboard focus on what really matters. You can get the data on most critical indicators. Maybe you have special knowledge to combine, that's okay. Here you will find the main best indicators broken down and ready to help you decide. And it's affordable. Invest money in the right platform with the right knowledge and win your money back. That's simple, and it's simple as that. And now let's talk about the disadvantage or what's bad about draft dashboard. Everything in this world has some pros and some cons as well. So draft dashboard is not exempted at all. Draft dashboard is only available for football and baseball drafts, and draft dashboard is only available for American sports. So now let's talk about our final thoughts on draft dashboard. What we think about draft dashboard? Should you go for draft dashboard or not? Draft dashboard has become a vital part of my fantasy sports, to be frank. And having everything in one platform, accessible anywhere, anytime, that's how things are supposed to be now. Unlike other platforms, the insights, charts, and tools you get here are quite easy to read and to the point. Yes, maybe they are not as advanced as other more expensive platforms. However, you are not saturated with senseless info and you get useful text only. With everything here, you get highly impactful information while keeping the fun of fantasy sports. We highly recommend Draft Dashboard and I hope this review has definitely helped you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description of this video to join Draft Dashboard trial for only $1 and start building winning daily fantasy sports lineups. That's all for this video guys. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day and bye bye.